Yeah, I guess this was going to be my last chance before trying to get surgery or steroid shots.
What percentage of overall improvement would you say you've achieved just halfway through the program?
I would say probably about 75%. Big changes were waking up in the morning and not feeling like crap, or waking up and being able to just get out of bed instead of like slowly rolling out due to the back hurting, being able to put on my shoes and socks without pain. So all that's improved dramatically, which is nice. Last week I played golf 3 days in a row. Before that, I could barely play twice in 1 week. So it's improved dramatically as far as the pain and tolerating and stretching. And
Wow.
so it's incredible. I'm able to run a little bit now. Starting to lift a little bit of weight, but not much. I didn't think I'd be able to do that 3 months ago. There's no way.
Based on how much has changed in the last 3 months, are you gonna need a surgery? Are you gonna need?
No way.
Have you been experiencing any sort of sciatica recently at all?
No, I forgot all about it. Just the getting out of bed with no pain it's ridiculous. Yeah, and a lot of it too is knowing how to brace and how to move. It's totally redefined how I move and brace now. So all the strain is not on the lower back. Doing the workouts every day is like a habit pattern. I'm almost addicted to it. I'm like, I can't wait to get home and start doing the exercises. So that's really cool too.
So you went from 8 years of low back issues, already had a surgery, was going to get a second surgery, was going to get injections, to 75% improved overall at the halfway point.
Yeah. I mean, just dealing with it for so many years and doctors saying this and that, and then now going through this, and I feel like right now I just got out of work 11 hours and I feel great. Back doesn't hurt at all.